Welcome to EPAC Prefab, a leading turnkey solution provider specializing in innovative and energy-efficient pre-engineered buildings, prefab structures and sandwich panels. Today I'm excited to have you join us for a tour of one of our state-of-the-art manufacturing plant spread over 5 acres in Ghiloth, Rajasthan. First, this is our truck parking area, the place where it all begins. The trucks arrive loaded with raw materials from the best manufacturers around the world. Next, we move to the unloading area. Here, the raw materials are carefully unloaded and undergo rigorous incoming quality control checks. Material demarcation is crucial at this stage to ensure each type of raw material is clearly identified and stored according to its specific requirements. This helps us in maintaining a streamlined raw material management system. These robots are unique to our facility and help us maintain the highest standards of safety and efficiency. Now let's step into the cutting section. We use advanced plasma cutters which has oxy-fuel options, and we use shearing cutting machines to cut the raw materials. These machines operate with high precision, ensuring each piece has been cut exactly as it's required. Moving on to the detailing section. This area is like a finely tuned workshop. We have a CNC punching machine for creating precise holes, radial drills for thicker materials, and power presses for bending and pressing. Each component is carefully crafted and checked for quality before moving forward. Now let's visit the H-beam line 1, where the main structural components take shape. We use advanced machinery such as automated roll former and web seamer to ensure precise shaping of the structure and further enhance its strength by securely joining the sections. Moving next to H-beam line 2. Here, pull-through welder ensures every joint is welded with exceptional precision, accuracy and strength. Once welded, the structures are then efficiently transported from H-beam line to the assembly area for further assembly and finishing. In the assembly section here, all the subparts from the detailing section and the H-beam area come together for the assembly as per the drawings. Our MIG and arc welding machines, along with various grinders and finishing tools, ensure each piece is finished to perfection. After a thorough line quality control check, dimensions, welding and finishing, the products are ready for cleaning and painting. Next, we arrive at the shot blasting section. Here, the surface of the structure is prepared for painting, ensuring a flawless finish. Once shot blasted, the components move to the painting area where each product is coated with high-quality paint for durability and protection. After painting and final inspection, the products are moved to the finished goods area, ready for dispatch. Here our finished products are stored and labeled with project codes for efficient dispatch. We use cranes, forklifts and boom lifts to load products onto the vehicles safely. Our plant is designed for zero heavy vehicle movement inside. Instead, we use rails and multiple EOT cranes to transport materials and components, ensuring everything moves smoothly and safely. Before dispatch, every product undergoes outgoing quality control to ensure it meets our high standards. And that wraps up our tour of EPAC Prefab Manufacturing Plant here in Ghiloth. I hope you enjoyed seeing how we prioritize quality, innovation and safety at every step. From this plant alone, we've delivered hundreds of top-tier PEB buildings, from vast warehouses to modern factory buildings. Before you go, Take in the stunning aerial views of some of our remarkable projects we've completed right here in the vicinity of our plant, showcasing the expertise and commitment that define EPEC Prefab. Thank you for joining us today, and we look forward to building a stronger, smarter, and more sustainable future together.